Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another tutorial. Today, though, instead of 3D design and Tinkercad, it's something about the Detroit Lions. So let's get cracking. Friends, if you haven't noticed, I have been a huge Lions fan all my life. Live and die with the Honolulu blue and silver. A friend reached out on Facebook saying, hey, how can we get access to this font? Now, friends, I don't have this font, but let me show you what I found. I did a quick Google search and came up with the Detroit Lions font on Font Meme. When you get to the page, make sure you skip the downloads and go all the way down to this spot right here where you can create text graphics with the Detroit Lions font. Notice it's using a font called Wayne Fonts, which is funny as heck. I typed in HLModTech. You can pick your font size. I'm going to change it to 72. I chose a shadow. There are all kinds of options. You can pick whichever one you want. Check it out. It does crazy colors and generates it almost instantly. Now, there's no way I would want Apple because we need the blue and silver. I do want it to have a cool outline. So check it out. It gave me the main Lions color and it gave me a color for the stripe. And then when we hit generate, you have got a really fun version of whatever phrase you wanted to say using the Wayne Fonts text. Real quickly, I'm going to switch this back to one of the basic ones. If I go right here just to a shadow L. And friends, when you're happy with what you created, just right click, do save image as, give it a name, and you can store it. I'm going to call this Lions HL. Get rid of that parenthesis, and then you can use it for whatever you want. Friends, it is not as slick as if we actually had the real TTF font, but oh my gosh, what a fun, quick way for you to experiment and maybe see if this is something that works for you. Of course, I want to say thank you to Laura for asking the question, and of course, Detroit Lions, I want to thank you guys for making this last few months so darn awesome. Of course, friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Don't forget, you always make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.